Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. They've designed this, but when they come around the corner, so this one's behind that one, this one's behind that one, but when they come around the other side from this way, it's on top. So we want to know how you could do that, because you can't just go object order back a page, because then it's back behind everything. So this one now is leading. So I've redrawn it. I've actually kind of messed it up, but you can see that now they're all, and I left off a little tip right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to just nudge these out of the way. Thankfully, I'm in the center of the page. So what he needs to do, and let's bring our indexing lines in. Let's take this thing and just left click, right click. Well, don't have the left click. And then let's Control D and alternate C, and we're at 350. So let's go 340. I believe it was 10 degrees. No. Let's go the other way, 360 degrees. So that's what you need. Instead of the whole shape, you just need this shape. So what we're going to do is take the Smart Fill tool. Let's, we'll use the same colors. Let's go with that blue. And let's fill that in. And you see you get that shape. Now let's nudge it up one time. And then we can get rid of all this. Now let's nudge it back. And because we created a new item, it's back to 0. And he's got some darkness. So let's take the interactive fill tool and go right here and then put some dark black in that spot. So now when we Control D and alternate C and you rotate it 10 degrees and then Control D all the way around. So when we come back around, that space will be gone, and now they're all in front of each other. I mean, they're in the right order. So that's all. Whenever you rotate something and it overlaps, you need to make a new item, is what I'm saying. That looks pretty good. I don't know what his plan is with it, but it's a pretty interesting concept. Anyway, I hope that helped answer his question, and thank you for watching.